So here we have the Velocity AP exhaust system for the brand new Ford Raptor 3.5 liter EcoBoost. Now Velocity AP is very well known in the exotics market. Stuff like Aston Martin, Jaguar, Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferrari, and other makes and models. So they've created what is pretty much the jewelry of exhaust systems for the new Ford Raptor. We're going to take it out of the box, lay it out so you can see what this new system looks like. The Velocity AP exhaust is made in North America. They're actually located in Canada. All handmade, TIG welded stainless steel. Now again, this system is a Valvetronic design. So much like other exhausts, you press a button and you dump the exhaust directly out, which is very good for turbo models. So this looks like it's a center section, real nice welding, good 3-inch piping. So flange, donut gasket. You can see the Valvetronic piece right here in the middle. So it looks like what happens is the exhaust flow comes out here. When this is closed, it goes through the mufflers. When it's open, it's a direct dump. Very nice merge Y here. So let's check out the other parts. This is one of the over axle pipes that goes over the big rear axle of the Ford Raptor. We have another over axle pipe. All right, here we have the main muffler of the exhaust of the main center section here. They make these mufflers in-house, all rolled, welded, got their badge stamped on here. Big inlets, outlets, chambered muffler design. Should help it sound really good, unlike other Raptor exhausts. All right, we have the Valvetronic components, the remotes, the box, the solenoid. This is the valve that connects the exhaust to open and close it. It works like a wastegate. It bolts on there to the middle section. The vacuum line reaches in here. When you press the remote, it actuates the wastegate to open and close the valve. Some of our clamps to make the exhaust installation very easy. A couple more clamps. All right, just finished unboxing the Raptor exhaust here. Packing stuff everywhere. Super stoked. New sweatshirt. Now it's time to get the Raptor in the air and fit it. And hopefully it sounds amazing because the exhaust that's on there now sucks. So stage 2 coming up shortly. We'll see you soon.